If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Ford with the ticker symbol F. This was a viewer's request and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis, I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. My last Ford video, I had a target of $13 and we reached that back here on the May 2nd. And you can see that we reached the $13.82 or 79 cents level. So we're almost there to the lower $13 level and even the $12 level, which I think we can get to. You can see that Ford made a high back over here in the beginning of this month, beginning of January or mid-January. We pushed through the EMA, and that's not a good sign because we dropped down a lot versus before. If we did break the EMA, it was just a little bit. Now we pushed through it. Now we're finding resistance from the EMA, which is not good. You can see that even if we do get above it, it's very short-lived, and we're still finding resistance from the EMA. So this is definitely a downtrend. And I'm looking for lower price targets. Now if I connect the swings, you can see that this looks like the channel that prices are respecting. So looks like we're working down in this downtrend channel. I'm looking for lower price targets. I think a strong one or a strong support level that price action is trying to reach is this $12.66 level. So that would be my near-term target. We're almost there. We're making lower lows and lower highs, so I'm looking for that target to be reached. Once we reach this target, there's a possibility that we might reverse because this level was what sent prices all the way up here. So there could be a lot of buy orders or people wanting to buy at this price level. So we'll have to wait and see. However, this downtrend is pretty bearish and so is the entire market. So we might just start breaking these strong support levels. So is there a measured move? Yeah, it looks like there's a measured move right here. This was the first leg down. This is the second leg down. And you can see that we pretty much already met it, and that's where it's trying to consolidate and go sideways and find a little bit of support at the end of this measured move. However, I'm looking for lower price targets. I'm gonna have to use a near-term one. I can do this measured move too. So this is the first leg, this was the second leg, and the target is right at the $13.35 level. However, I think since we're working down this channel, we're gonna eventually reach the $12.66 level. It just looks like it, because how bearish this market is, and this downtrend is still in play. So really no signs of weakness as right now. Ford is gonna have a cheaper price to it, so that's why it might not be best to be a buyer in this downtrend. So that's everything I have for Ford on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for Ford, and you can see that we had a nice move up since the first quarter of 2020. This was the channel working higher. Prices were definitely respecting it, but obviously the pattern is going to break sooner than later. So we finally did get a break of the pattern. You can see that price action did not bounce from the support side of the channel like it did in the past. So we got below the EMA and we're below the channel. So it looks like it's working to the prior support levels. Like I said, the first one in my eyes is right around that $12.60 level. So I think we're very close to that target. If we don't find any support there, Ford might drop down all the way to the $9.58 level. So that's definitely something to look to also if we don't find any support here. This is the first break of the yellow pattern, so there is a possibility to go back up to retest the highs eventually. However, we don't have to do that all the time, but you should expect it. It's more probable to do this. Repeat this pattern than not. So I'm looking for a retest of the highs eventually back up to that $25-26 level. I don't know when as of right now, and we gotta wait till this correction plays out, because is the correction that's working down right now, is it gonna stop over here, or is it gonna stop over here, or is it gonna stop over here? So we don't know unless we see signs of weakness in this downtrend and we start seeing buyers come in the market. As right now, we're not seeing any weakness and we're not seeing any buyers step in. So we got to look for these lower price levels that might come into play. So in the short term, I'm bearish, looking for these lower price targets. The first one's at right around that $12.60 level, and then maybe the $11.50 level, and then maybe the $9.50 level. So I have to wait and see. But if we get too low, then we might not go back up to retest the highs. That's the other thing. So I'll have to wait and see. But as of right now, the bears are taking control of the market. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.